Good afternoon, my dear students of Standard 8th. I hope that you all are fine and fit at home. I hope that you are safe with your parents. Welcome to this online class learning. Today we are going to learn a new lesson of English prose, that is the kite flying. Kites are seen during Makar Sankranti. When we see kites in sky, then we believe that Makar Sankranti has arrived. Many people of all ages, from children to the age-old people, love to fly kites. The kites bring light to festive spirit, but nothing can match the grand celebrations and great preparations in Gujarat on the occasion of Makar Sankranti or Kite Flying Day. In this lesson, we are going to see how kite flying festival is celebrated in Gujarat. All children like you would love to enjoy flying kites. In this lesson, we are going to see how people enjoy the kite festival. So students, take out your textbook and turn to page number 62. Let us begin with the lesson. 3.2 The Kite Festival. Years ago, the harassed mother would often say to her restless son, who needed to be kept busy during his holidays, "Why don't you go fly a kite?" And the little boy would happily pick up his kite and run out into the field. Years ago, before, when the children would have holidays, that time the children would trouble their mothers. So the troubled mother would say to his son that, "Why don't you go and fly a kite?" So when the boy listens to this sentence, the boy happily picks up his kite and goes into the field. Harassed meaning troubled. That of course was in the past, when the only kites available were made of kite paper and thin wooden frames. Kite flying has come a long way since then, with the invention of motorized and even fiberglass kites to compete with the old-fashioned kites. Today, kite flyers can be found in different parts of the world carrying different types of kites, waiting for the right winds. The chapter is based during the olden days. In olden days, the kites that were available were made of kite paper and thin wooden frames. After that, kites were made into different varieties like motorized kites. That means the kites made with motor, or fiberglass kites. That is, the fiberglass is the strong material. That strong material kites came into existence. Then later on, lot of development had taken place. Today, all over the world, people are flying kites and enjoying this festival. We can see not only in India, but in also all the other parts of the country that people are enjoying flying kites. If right wind blows, then only the kite will fly properly. So there are people who wait for the right wind and fly their kites. So since the past till now, lot of development has happened. In olden days, the kites were made up of motor and even fiberglass kites. But today there are varieties of kites that are found in all parts of the country. Not only in India people fly kites, but in all the other parts of the country, people love flying kites. Kite flying has a long history. There are many Greek, Indian and other mythological stories which tell us about human beings wanting to or trying to fly. Over a period of time, this desire of humans and their imagination probably led to the invention of kites. And it is likely that the box kites designed more than 100 years ago later inspired others to create power-driven aeroplanes. So kite flying has a long history. That means when and how the kites flying started and how it has developed till today's date. Humans had desired to fly from olden days. Like there are many stories which tells that humans had a strong desire to fly, and they are trying to fly, and they also tried to fly. In olden days, people had special vehicles which they flew on that. For example, we can see the stories of Ramayana or Mahabharata. In that, the people had special vehicles to fly. So humans' imagination and the desire led to the invention of kites. Box kites were designed more than 100 years ago. By looking at that, they had an idea to create aeroplanes. Box kites are those kites in which people used, they were like box type. So by looking at that box kites, people started inventing aeroplanes. From that, the invention of aeroplanes started. By looking at the box kites, they thought that why can't we go into that box kite and sit and fly? So likewise, they started aeroplanes. In India, however, the tradition of kite flying has not changed, be it during the coming of spring, which is celebrated as Basant, or during the festival of Makar Sankranti. People of all ages go out into the open to try their luck with their kites. In towns and cities where open spaces are difficult to find, terraces and rooftops are often used for this traditional sport. So people celebrate kite flying festival as a sport all over in India. But in India, the tradition of kite flying has not changed. From the olden days till now, the tradition of kite flying is being followed. During the festival of Makar Sankranti, all age group people, from children to the old people, go on their terrace tops of their house or buildings or on the open space to fly their kites. So whoever have chawl type system, chawl type houses or bungalow type houses, they go to their terrace tops and fly kites. And whoever are staying in building, they used to go to the terrace of their building and fly. But in the area with there are no terraces or rooftops, then they would go to open spaces like grounds or fields to fly kites. In Gujarat, Makar Sankranti is kite flying day. Traditionally celebrated on January 13 or 14, it is a holiday when people meet outdoors to cut each other's kites. So, in Gujarat, this Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Kite Festival Day. So, in Gujarat, on Makar Sankranti, people fly kites, and that is why it is called as Kite Flying Day. It is celebrated on Jan 13 or 14. On this day, Jan 13 or 14, people have holiday, and they meet outdoors to cut each other's kites. They go outside and play with their kites and cut the others' kites, and this they enjoy the festival. This day also coincides with the festival of Uttarayan, where the sun is said to begin its journey to the northern hemisphere. The people of Gujarat celebrate Uttarayan with a lot of enthusiasm, and all business comes to a grinding halt for a couple of days. It is also a celebration to mark the end of winter. So people get holiday on that day, so they meet outside to fly kites and cut each other's kites and enjoy this day a lot. Makar Sankranti and Uttarayan both occurs at the same time. Coincide means occurring at the same time. So people of Gujarat celebrate Uttarayan with great joy, and this festival is very special for them. Especially the people living in Gujarat, this kite flying festival is very special for them. In Gujarat, during the time of Uttarayan, people's business, whatever business the people are doing or whatever shops they are having, are all closed or all shut down for a few days, maybe a 1 week. So this is also called as the celebration or a mark that the winter is coming to an end. During this Uttarayan, all the businesses, whatever the people do business or shops, they all come to a grinding halt. Grinding halt means they all are closed or shut down for a couple of days. As this is a celebration to mark the end of winter. Like students, you all get a holiday during summer season. Likewise, these people, the people who do work or business, they enjoy this this end of winter. The kite flying begins at dawn and continues without a pause throughout the day. People of all ages gather on terraces and rooftops. Friends, neighbors, even total strangers compete with one another, and cries of triumph rend the air when someone cuts the line of a rival. So people start flying kites early morning. Dawn means early morning. Before the sun rises, they start flying kites early in the morning, and it is continued for the whole day. From young children to old people, even ladies as well. Not only gents, even ladies also. They also all gather on the terraces or rooftops and enjoy this festival. Many people gather on the rooftops and compete with one another, whether it may be known people or unknown people. Whether it is friends, neighbors, or whether it is unknown people, they also come to the rooftops and terraces and enjoy this festival. They have a competition with one another, and when the kites are cut, that time the one person whose kites are not cut, they feel very joy, whereas the other persons whose kites are cut, they feel very sad. So likewise, the people over there in Gujarat, they enjoy this day by celebrating on the rooftops and by celebrating on the terraces. They all gather. They don't do household work that day. They only fly kites during that day, from morning till the night, till they go to bed. They fly kites.